Okay guys, we have made it here, and let's just get a couple scenery shots right through here. You can see almost everything in its beautiful glory, and we're gonna be staying here about 2 or 3 days, so let's go. Hey guys, we're here, and we're here on the first day. First night, went fishing, didn't catch nothing. Whoops. But guys, we are here and we're ready to go. I tell you, the mosquitoes ate me up tonight, and still 2 days to go. So guys, I guess I will cut it for tonight, and we'll get back to tomorrow. So let's go. Hey guys, we're back, and we're just fishing this morning on this lake. As you can see there, that bird is fishing. Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're out here on the kayak trying to catch some fish. And yeah, it's a law, you gotta wear a life jacket. Whoops. Haven't caught no fish today. I've hooked up on one, popped off as usual. Big one always gets away. But guys, I'll probably get back to you when we do catch fish. So let's go. Okay guys, we just hooked up on a monster largemouth, and I'm really happy, so let's get a release. Let's get a release. And there she goes. So guys, let's keep on fishing. Okay guys, caught up on another largemouth bass. He's a pretty good size, and yeah, so let's just keep on fishing because largemouth bass number 2 hitting the jackpot. So let's get a release. Okay, let's let her go. There she goes. Okay guys, we caught a rock bass, and let's get a release. Okay guys, let's get a release. Might have been a little bluegill. I really didn't know what it was. Okay guys, caught on me to another largemouth bass, and let's get pictures. Okay guys, we got a largemouth bass. Pretty good bass, and let's get to it. Okay guys, let's get a release. There she went. Hey guys, caught another fish. It is a pumpkin seed. Yeah, it's a big pumpkin seed. So let's get a release. There we go. There it goes. Little pumpkin seed. Guys, we're just paddling the kayak to the right location that we need to go. Okay guys, we got us another fish. A pumpkin seed. Nice pumpkin seed. It's really nice. Let's put our rod right here. Let's unhook it, if we so do can. Okay, we unhooked it, so let's get a release. That's how you do it. We were using night crawlers with bait. So let's give her another cast right out there. Okay, money shot. It's money shot right there. Okay. We got a bite. He's running. Okay, oh, fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Put pressure. Fish on. Ooh, largemouth bass. Largemouth. Largemouth, guys. Big largemouth. Okay, guys. He swallowed it, but we got it finally out of his mouth. And so let's get a release. Hey, guys. Finally got back into the cabin. Looking pretty nice. Hi, Madison.
Hi.
Look at the baby. Such a little mean baby.
But guys, we caught one bass, two pumpkin seeds, one rock bass, and I'm including that what I've caught. But I didn't get the second part. I didn't get none of it on film except that one. But guys, we'll probably go back out there once more today in the evening. It's around 4 or 5 o'clock right now, so let's get to it. Hey guys, caught up on another pumpkin seed. Yeah, so big. It's a pretty good sized pumpkin seed, and I think we'll get back to it, and let's go. Okay guys, caught onto another largie. Hey guys, caught another largemouth bass. Pretty good in size, smallest one of the day. So let's get a release. Okay, let's get a release on there. There we go. Guys, these mosquitoes are eating me up as we speak, and it's crazy. So guys, I'm just doing this for you, so you better like this video. Hey guys, it's night 2, and we're staying here again tonight. Tomorrow is leaving day, but just for good measure, we are leaving here around 10. We'll get home around 3 o'clock-ish, and I just hope for you all to come with us. And guys, I hope to see you tomorrow morning, because before we leave, we're going to be fishing one more time, because we're leaving here at 10, and I'm going to wake up about 6 o'clock and get out there on the lake. So guys, let's see you tomorrow for the next day. Till then, I'll get back to you. Good morning, guys. It's morning and looking beautiful outside, and we're gonna go do some bass fishing. So let's go. Okay, guys, caught on to another largemouth on the spook. Getting it pretty good. So let's go. Okay, guys, got him unhooked. It's a nice largemouth. So let's get a release. Let's get a release on her. And there she went. Okay, guys, caught on a bluegill and or rock bass. I really don't know what it is, but let's get a release. Hey guys, caught up on another largemouth bass, and let's just show you, and we'll get a release. Okay, guys, largemouth. So let's get a release. And there she went. Okay, guys, caught me up on another largemouth. Third largemouth of the morning, and we're doing to a good start. So let's get a release. Okay, guys, we are leaving right now. It is time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, guys, just got back home. Had a good trip, and I hope you all like my new fishing session. So, till then, fish on.